How's it going, pirates? I just got done with an amazing live stream with Toy Domination and a whole bunch of amazing world builders. So tonight we're talking about creating characters. So be sure to follow Toy Domination for the replay in regards to that. And it's part of a larger story that we're working on. So I'll be eventually rolling out a new Instagram page which is called Titans of the Universe. It's going to be a tournament that these fighters that we created tonight will be able to participate in. But it doesn't stop there. If you're a customizer or a world builder, you'll have an opportunity to actually register your own character into this tournament, which we haven't really finalized the details as to when it's going to be happening. But stay tuned to either my YouTube channel, my Facebook channel, or my Instagram, all under the name of Pirates of the Galaxy, for more details as the information starts to come trickles out. So as you know, my world building skills tend to really stick to backstories. That's where my bread and butter is, unlike that monstrosity that I'm trying to build in the background. But yeah, so unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to launch the part two of Dorian Star Chaser's backstory tonight, but don't worry, it's coming very soon. And as you know, my stories are starting to become a little bit more elaborate. I'm incorporating videos, and that's part of my ongoing thing. They're going to get more and more elaborate as I go forward and as I build my skills. But in regards to Titans of the Universe, like I said, stay tuned to all of my social medias so that way you can find out exactly how you can participate in that. Or if you just want to be on the sidelines and watch this all unfold, you can actually follow it that way as well. So again, thank you very much for all of your supports, and remember to like, subscribe, and even share if you can any of my videos, because the fact it certainly helps me out with all of the interwebs algorithms. But anyways, thank you very much, and I hope you guys have an amazing time. Take care, pirates.